The No Hard Drive Found error on your Lenovo laptop means the system can't detect your HDD during startup. This prevents your operating system from loading. It's often displayed as HDD not detected or no boot device found in the BIOS UEFI. We'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. The first step in troubleshooting the No Hard Drive Found error is to check the basic hardware connections. Ensure all physical connections are secure. Before opening your Lenovo laptop, power it off completely and disconnect the battery for safety. Carefully open the laptop to access the internal components. Locate the SATA cable connecting the hard drive to the motherboard and ensure it is securely plugged in. The SATA cable should be firmly connected to both the hard drive and the motherboard. Also, check that the power connector is properly attached to the hard drive. Both the SATA data cable and the power cable must be securely connected. Loose connections are a common cause of this error, accounting for approximately 40% of cases. To access your Lenovo's BIOS or UEFI settings, press F1, F2, or Del key during system startup. This will bring you to the BIOS setup screen where you can configure system settings. Once in BIOS, navigate to the Storage or SATA configuration section using your keyboard arrows. Look for options related to SATA ports and drive configuration. In the SATA configuration, confirm that AHCI mode is enabled for proper hard drive detection. Check the boot order to ensure your hard drive is listed and prioritized correctly. If you made any changes, save them and exit the BIOS to restart your system. When troubleshooting a No Hard Drive Found error, it's crucial to check the health of your hard drive. Use diagnostic tools to identify potential problems before they cause complete failure. Start with Lenovo's built-in diagnostics tool. This software checks your system's components, including hard drive health. Look for any error messages or warnings about the drive status. SMART, or Self-Monitoring Analysis and Reporting Technology, tracks hard drive health. It monitors attributes like read error rate, spin-up time, and reallocated sectors. When SMART reports errors, it indicates potential drive failure. For more detailed analysis, use third-party tools like Crystal Disk Info. This free software displays SMART attributes, temperature, and overall health status. Look for good, caution, or bad ratings. Unlike solid-state drives, hard disk drives are mechanical devices with spinning platters and read-write heads. This mechanical nature makes HDDs more susceptible to failure over time due to wear and physical damage. SSDs have no moving parts, offering better reliability. When diagnostic tools detect SMART errors or poor health, it often means the hard drive needs replacement. Common failure modes include mechanical breakdowns or data corruption. Don't risk data loss. Back up your files and replace the drive. An outdated BIOS can cause incompatibility issues that lead to hard drive detection problems. To update, visit the Lenovo support website. Download the latest BIOS version specifically for your laptop model. Then, install the update following Lenovo's instructions carefully. Regular BIOS updates can prevent approximately 70% of these detection issues. Lenovo Vantage is Lenovo's official software tool designed to help diagnose and update your system. It provides a user-friendly interface for checking system health and performing maintenance tasks. To access Lenovo Vantage, open the application from your Start menu or taskbar. Once open, run a hardware scan to identify any potential problems with your hard drive. The scan interface allows you to check components like storage drives for issues. The software provides detailed error logging and can point you towards the root cause of detection failures. You can see system information and quick settings in the dashboard. This comprehensive approach can save you from unnecessary hardware replacements by identifying software-related issues. The dashboard also shows system updates and storage details for complete diagnostics. Many No Hard Drive Found errors can be resolved without replacing the HDD. These real-world examples show effective solutions that save time and cost. For example, a ThinkPad T14's user fixed the issue by resetting the BIOS to defaults and re-enabling SATA ports after a BIOS update. This software-based fix prevented the need for hardware replacement. An IdeaPad 5 user resolved the error by replacing a faulty SATA cable. This simple hardware swap restored drive detection without extensive repairs. These cases highlight that non-replacement solutions are often effective addressing the root causes like software settings or cable issues. HDDs are gradually being replaced by SSDs in Lenovo laptops. By 2025, SSDs comprise 80% of new Lenovo shipments. As this trend continues, issues related to HDD detection will become less common. The future outlook predicts that by 2027, detection problems will be minimal in fully SSD systems due to advancements in PCIe technology.